Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro Dollar, Euro USD for Friday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. This is the 4-hour chart of DXY, and what a move we got after the CPI yesterday. Just look at the size of the candle here. CPI was declared and we saw a big red candle. Okay, market or DXY broke the important support of 109.50 to 109.30 and came down to the last support of 107.85 to 107.70. As we have been discussing in our last videos, that this is the last support for DXY, and DXY is trying to survive above this level, because if DXY breaks this level, then yes, there will be a trend reversal and we will see further downside on the chart of DXY. So as a result, DXY is trying its best to survive above this level. Usually the volatility shifts in the market. It means market always move from high volatility to lower volatility and lower volatility to higher volatility. So as a result, there's a chance that today we may not see some big moves in the market. Okay, market may remain like this because market would love to take rest after the massive move yesterday. But in case market starts showing upside or recovery, DXY, I'm talking about DXY, in that case you can expect the previous support to act as resistance. That means if market starts going up from here, the next support resistance for DXY will be 109.50 to 109.30. okay, and it may reverse from here. Let's see whether DXY succeeds in surviving above the support or not. Okay, now let's have a look at a chart of Euro Dollar. So if you have watched my video on gold, then you can see that I have also drawn a flag here, bullish flag. Usually I do not talk much about patterns, okay, but bullish flag or bearish flag is something that I follow personally because it follows the most important rule of the market, that is trend. Market says, okay, whether you trade on stock market, forex market, commodity market, doesn't matter, follow the trend, that's it. And flag market, or not flag market, flag pattern, whether it is a bullish flag or a bearish flag, okay, it's a trend continuation pattern and it really works also. Okay, so we can see a clear cut flag pattern on the chart of Euro Dollar right now. So what should be a strategy then, my dear friends? Draw a flag like this. Okay, so as long as market is trading between these two lines, this is your no trading zone, because right now market is consolidating. So this is your no trading zone. Do not place any orders, especially if you're a beginner, new trader, you are in a very tight spot, can't afford to lose any money right now, then do not trade as long as market is trading between these two lines. If I take you to the lower time frame also, then also you can see that market is trading in a very narrow range right now. So try to avoid placing any orders between the range here. And during the day, or especially during the US session, if market breaks the flag and starts going up, listen to me carefully, if market breaks the flag and starts going up, then we can consider it as a trend continuation. We will get the understanding that bulls are back again in the market and you can go for a buy position, okay, if market breaks the flag, or if market breaks 1.0220, 1.0220, if market breaks this level and starts going up, you can go for a buy position. What is your target? Okay, your target will be this will be your next target, 1.0300, 1.0340. okay, this will be your next target on the chart of Euro Dollar. Okay, if DXY breaks this flag and starts going up, because this is a trend continuation pattern, at least for swing traders, okay, especially swing traders, you can look for a target like this. But if you're a day trader, okay, you do not have much patience, then also you can at least expect a profit of 50 to 70 pips if market breaks the flag and starts going up. And in case during the day market fails to go up, and if we see further correction on the Euro USD, or market breaks the flag towards the downside, okay, so if market breaks the flag towards the upside, it's a trend continuation, we can go for a buy. But if market breaks the flag towards the downside, do not go for a sell position because that will be very risky. Don't take the risk. Just wait for the market to retrace. Your retracement level will be 1.0100, 1.0075. Previously this was the resistance for the market, and this will be the new support for Euro USD right now. So if market comes down, observe the market, okay, watch the market. When you see the market is taking support and bouncing, you can go for a buy position. Okay, in case market fails, then just avoid Euro USD. Okay, but if it respects the level that we have been talking, okay, then you can go for a buy position. Keep in mind right now market is extremely bullish. Follow the trend. Okay, if you stand against the trend of the market, it means that you are standing against billions of dollars. Okay, don't make the mistake. And as we all know, as a trader, we don't need to trade very often. Okay, we need to trade well. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money, because as a retail trader our capital is limited. Okay, so first trading opportunity is if market breaks the flag and starts going up, and the second is if market breaks the flag towards the downside. Okay, do not take any position, just wait for the market to retrace, and when market will bounce from the retracement, the previous resistance, now new support, this level, you can look for a buy position. These are the two trading opportunities that I see on the chart of Euro USD right now. If I have missed anything, please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. After all, we are all students of the market, isn't it? Okay, and my dear friends, this is the Pro Trader program, okay, where we do many things. Okay, if you really want to take up trading as a serious source of income, as a side profession, you can consider joining the Pro Trader program. I call it a revolution because this is the most affordable program online where we nurture traders. Okay, learn, trade and earn. There are 10 reasons to join the Pro Trader program. Everything mentioned on the website. If you really are interested, okay, you can definitely check out the link in the description. So that's all. Bye bye, take care, and please follow proper risk management. Today is Fridays. Try to avoid placing any orders during the evening session. Keep in mind, trading discipline is most important. A discipline only makes a trader profitable, not a strategy. Okay, so 30% is strategy, 70% is all about discipline. So bye bye, take care, bye bye. Anyways, have a nice weekend. Give time to your family and friends and loved ones.